At Sunshine, we get it. A farmer's work is never done. By offering more than 80 years of combined experience and the best in John Deere technology, we're here to keep you going from sunup to sundown. With our team on your side, you've got the power to do it all. Ask your local Sunshine dealer about our current promotions or learn more about what it means to be powered by Sunshine at sunequip.com.